Here's how to use DAP's Knockdown spray texture for pro results. First, repair any damage to the wall. Then prep your work area with the proper tools for your project and cover all surrounding areas. To prevent clogging, shake the can vigorously for 1 minute after hearing the marble moving freely. Be sure to shake frequently between sprays. Tear off the top safety tab by pulling the tab from front to back. Test the spray before applying to the surface. Choose the right texture size to match your desired finish. For medium to heavy textures, spray without a straw. For finer textures, firmly insert the straw into the nozzle tip. Spray holding the can 12 to 18 inches from the surface to ensure a wide, even spray. When spraying, press the bottom of the trigger downward, not backwards. For seamless repairs, feather the texture into the surrounding repair area by spraying short, intermittent bursts in a circular sweeping motion. Allow at least 30 seconds of set time before knocking down. Ensure the putty knife is parallel to the surface and gently knock down without scraping. Allow at least 15 minutes of dry time before painting. No priming is required. Once finished, clean the nozzle by spraying a quick burst into a disposable surface while the can is upside down. Then store upright at room temperature.